Hey, if you're gonna throw up, you better make it into the bathroom.
Pat, here you go. You just gotta drop it. 2 of them in there. No, it's a beer, bro. You gotta drop it. No, not that. Oh my god.
Did you just make it? Is that beer?
Pat, you're yakking, bro. What's my clean, bro? You don't have to do a double, just do a single.
That's what you know.
Look at you. You're a bad influence on people.
Pat. No, sing it. Sing it, Mahoney. Here we go. Here we go. Listen.
Ooh.
Here we go.
I never done this before.
Here we go. Here we go.
What's close about a woman who can never treat you right?
Alright, I'm not a woman, first of all, so I have to
But I didn't think twice. No one ever